so we're opening the dumpling. It's fake, but I still love it. Stress reliever, glitter bun. Squishy, price $3.50. So it says it's a glitter dumpling, but I don't know. So let's check if it's real. Don't wanna break it. So bro, I need to take off. No. Okay, 3, 2, 1. So cute. What smells bad? But it's still good. At least it's glittery, right? Hope it will not stop. So showing my mom. Okay. So let's see if my mom says it's a scam or not. Mama, can you open? I cannot. Mama, can you open? Can you open, Mama? Can you open here?
Hindi. Hindi totoo yan. Alam ko na mabait at mabuting bata itong anak natin.
Fake?
Akala ko fake. Fake siya? Fake, no? Dapat sa labas, no? Dapat ba
Hindi.
sa labas yung glitter?
Hindi sa loob ng glitter, pero hindi ganito yung muka.
Oh.
Fake siya,
diba?
pero
350 pa naman yun. Diba?
pero at least glitter dumpling. At saka stress reliever. Pwede mo gamitin. Yeah. Is it a scam or
Bigyan mo kaya to kay Lola.
fail? Mama, is it a fail or is it is true? Fake or true?
Ano kang babae dito gusto niyan? Sige. Okay.
Bigyan mo pa kay Lola Birdie.
Magkakampihan na rin lang kayo. Gumagawa kayo ng mga bagay-bagay na hindi pinakakala sa akin. Sige.
Ay, ang cute. Hi, sorry.
Yeah, bigyan mo kay Lola Birdie mo.
Ako siya na po.
Oh, it's for girl. Ang may asitan, be? Ayun yung sayo, yun yung sayo. Ayan, It's for ate, it's your... Sabi mo muna, be.
She deserves a marriage.
Mommy told you already. Sige na, be. Later mag-reaction video ka na lang ulit.
Bye!